Well, if a data frame has missing values, then we're going to deal with that. In most cases, we're going to probably draw missing cases. And there are various ways to draw missing cases. The most popular way after we select the variables is going to be list-wise deletion. That is, we're going to drop any case, okay, with any missing, okay, for any of the covariate. So again, we're going to use same the demo data miss DTA here. If you recall, it has 50 cases and 7 variables. And the most missing comes from 2 variables. One is happy, another one is education, mostly from happy, right? So here, we're going to use a function called na.omit applied to this data frame. And what it does is it's going to use list-wise deletion to this data frame, considering all the covariates. That is, for any case that has any missing for any of the covariate, it's going to drop that case. Okay, so we're going to apply this function. I'm going to call the resultant data object method 01. And we're going to take a look at the resultant data, right? So, we can check into this data frame after applying list-wise deletion using this na.omit function. And now when we look at it, there's no missing anymore here. Well, another method is we're going to apply this complete.cases function first to this data frame. Then we're going to create, using this function, complete.cases, to create an array of logic values applied to the same data file. And then it's going to retain the cases that have complete values for all the covariates without any missing for any of the covariates. So let's look at what this function does to this data frame. So we just highlight that part and apply it to the data frame, miss DTA, right? So you can see here, it basically assigns a true or false logic value to the data frame. Then we're going to apply the result here to select what? To select the row numbers, okay? To retain the rows or cases that satisfy the condition. What is the condition? Well, complete cases. What is complete cases? Well, complete cases means, well, for any of the case, a complete cases means, well, these cases have values for all covariates without any missing for any of the covariates. Okay, so we're going to apply that and create a data frame called method 02. And we can look at the data frame. Again, this data frame is exactly, or should be exactly the same as the first data frame without any missing in this new data frame. Okay? And it has, let's check the dimension of this new data frame, 33 and 7. And we can also check the dimension of the first data frame using the first method. Right? See, they have the same dimension, means they have the same number of cases and same variables. Kind of confirming, actually, they're exactly the same.